Plaid Patrol. We need your help.
We're on our way.
Plaid Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
Pride, leadership,
Attitude.
integrity.
Determination.
Plaid Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
Okay, team, we're gonna start with some layups and then transition into shooting. Regular layup. Good finish. Jimmy, let's have you take a break.
Yes, coach.
All right, boys, free throws. Jimmy, get back in. Jimmy, your form's good, but... No, that's not it. Jimmy, your power's good, but... No, not that. Jimmy, you just need talent.
I'll never be as good as them, especially Amanda. She's so much better than me. Hey, Jimmy. What's the matter? You seem a little down in the dumps. Yeah, I just know I'll never be as good as the rest of them. Did you see Amanda's free throw? Look, Jimmy, don't be such a Debbie Downer. All you need is a little practice, initiative, and more importantly, you need to believe in yourself. A positive attitude is the first step that you need to become successful. That negative Nancy attitude won't get you anywhere.
I guess some positivity could help.
Well, there you go. Now quit being such a sad Susan and believe in yourself. You got this, kid.
Yeah, I got this!
Swish, baby.
Thanks, Plaid Patrol!
All in a day's work. All in a day's work.